Well, new information tonight in the investigation into the death of Tyre Nichols, one of the former Memphis Fire Department EMTs who was fired after that incident, speaking out, saying Memphis police stopped him from rendering aid to an already beaten Nichols. Our Jay Shakur with the claims from the EMT as he appeals the state board's decision to have his license revoked. Jay?
Rudy, for the first time since the death of Tyre Nichols, we're hearing from one of the Memphis Fire Department employees who was on the scene and later fired by MFD. And he's claiming Memphis police prevented him and other medics on the scene from helping Nichols. In his attempt to appeal his license suspension, former MFD EMT Robert Long testified Friday via Zoom along with his lawyer before the Tennessee Emergency Medical Services Board. He provided details about how he and other EMT Jamichael Sandridge responded after 5 Memphis police officers beat Nichols. Long says he approached Nichols and saw that he had a bump on his head and a busted lip and a dried, bloody nose. He also says Nichols asked him for help standing up and to remove the handcuffs. Nichols repeated that request several times. Long says officers refused to remove handcuffs and that impeded patient care, preventing EMTs from checking Tyre Nichols' vital signs.
I went over to grab the pulse ox off the monitor and was still trying to figure out how to put it on him with his hands behind his back. MPD is leaning over the patient in his face, saying loudly that the patient is not going anywhere and that they are not going to uncuff him, impeding patient care.
Now, the board ultimately decided not to reinstate Long's license. We'll have more on this tonight on ABC 24 News at 10.